Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you find deleted friends on Snapchat. So first of all, you have to open up your Snapchat application and log into your account. Now in your account, you have to open up your profile and then go to the settings options. On your settings, you very simply have to scroll down and click on the option that says My Data. So now first of all, you have to log in. Once you log in, an interface of this kind will appear right in front of you. Then you have to scroll down and unmark the options that say Spotlight, Shopping, Support History, Ranking and Locations, Memories and others. Then you have to make sure that the HTML option is enabled. After that, click on Next. Now, you have to select the date on which you want to view the deleted friends from. Then, you have to click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you will be able to easily view all of that data that was deleted at that specific date. From there, you can very easily view all of those deleted friends on Snapchat. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.